So as you can see, I've added an effect here,
Are you ready?
these particles, and I've used the video tutorial by the Fluffy Potato to make it and adapt it to my code. So
Are you ready?
I get now
Are you ready?
in all my code, and as you can see, it can also consume some bricks here, but they are always there. They're just deleted by this fire. And you see it adapts to the bar width, length, and it's just for learning purpose, doesn't have any precise intent in here. So go to my post to see the code in the block, and one of these days I will do a tutorial about the making of Arkanoid.
Are you ready?
Pygame. As you can see now, the ball can increase its speed, and I will soon post the update in the repository. And so let's see you soon there.